The boxes interact with each other. I was going to do a nice build on that. I've got some nice ones later on, but this is an idea of how the boxes interact, because clearly they do. So if I'm thinking over here about delivery, then I'm thinking about what the content of my delivery has to be. Oh, I need lists of requirements with their stakeholders, and then the requirements need priorities. So I'm beginning to populate a meta model, which I'm going to use when I do my modeling. I'm also, when I'm thinking about my delivery, about who I'm going to deliver it to, that's giving me ideas about how I'm going to do my engagement, because that kind of user isn't going to react well to a big complex diagram. Maybe they just want a list of something in a spreadsheet or a collaborate dashboard. Maybe that's the way to get to those people. And similarly, when I'm thinking about the model and how it's going to populate my deliverables, there's a need there for some external data which will inform my harvesting. And for symmetry purposes, I had to try and think of a way of linking engage and harvest. And I think there is, because in the past, I've done a bit of harvesting of data to populate models, not really because it's strictly part of the delivery, but just to have some data in there that when I go out to stakeholders and try and engage with them, they see stuff that they know. They see some familiar data. So one time we pulled in some past project information, and that worked quite well. Oh, look, this old projects that I used to work on, and the people we were engaging with, I think, trusted the model a bit more, because it wasn't just brand new crazy stuff in here. There was stuff that they knew to be true. So there's an element of trust in there. So I think there really is a link between those two, but maybe not as obvious as you might think.